Alright guys, so the next part we're going to do here is another 10 minutes, but it's just for core. So the core is so important not only for exercising, but also for just daily life. It'll help you not throw out your back, for one, which is great. Having a strong core is good for so many things, but it's also going to help you in the other workouts you do that I'm going to be teaching you. And really with every other exercise you're doing, having a strong core is the foundation that you need to have built. It's not to build the six-pack, because everyone already has a six-pack underneath the fat. That burpee routine is going to burn that fat off. But what this is for is just strengthening your core and having a really tight and strong foundation. So what we're going to start off with is star planks. So it's not like your ordinary plank where you're just everything straight. This is going to be a star plank. So you're going to have kind of a star position, hands out and legs out, and we'll hold that for 30 seconds off, or 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. We'll do that twice. That's 2 minutes right there. Then we'll go right into mountain climbers. I'll show you what those are, and we're going to do that again. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And then we'll go into the side planks. We'll do a minute on, a minute off on both sides. That'll give us some time to catch our breath after the mountain climbers. And then we'll finish it off with the finisher, which is the bicycle crunches, 30 seconds on, 30 off, 30 on, 30 off. That's our 10 minutes and we'll be done. So this is a killer core workout and it's only 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna get my timer here and we'll get right into it. So we'll get this started here. Got our timer pulled up, just use your phone. And we're going to go right into the star plank. So I'm going to get in a position and I'll start the timer. We'll do 30 seconds on, 30 off. We'll do that twice. So arms more than shoulder width apart. Put them out. The further out and up you go, the harder. And same with the legs. So we'll do that and you want to be on your toes. And then make sure your butt is not arched. Keep it as flat as possible. So we'll start that off. And we'll get in the position. There we go. See how the butt's down, not up here. Just make sure you have grip with your toes. All right, hold this. You see my arms, my hands are kind of underneath my shoulders. The further out you go, the harder it is. So keep that position, everything nice and tight. Squeeze your core, squeeze your butt cheeks. That's 25 seconds. And there's 30. That's the first one. Come back down. Just getting everything fired up, getting it ready to engage in the mountain climbers. Again, breathe into your belly as deep as you can. It'll help with the muscles, especially since we're doing core, loosens it up, but also oxygenates your body a lot faster. That's 50 seconds, another 10, and we'll get back in for the second round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are. And we'll go for another 30. Keep everything nice and tight. That's 10 down. Halfway there. Toes planted into the ground, butt down. Squeeze your core, squeeze your butt cheeks. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now move your hands up slightly closer to each other. We're gonna do the mountain climbers. So we're gonna go one up, then switch. And keep going. And we'll go for our 30 seconds here. Try not to bring your butt up too far. Bring your knees as far up as you can to your elbows, straight through the center. 4, 3, 2, 1. The mountain climbers are one of the best exercises for your core. They're also going to help build your shoulders and your upper body strength by holding that position. Same with the star plank. Belly breathing in between. All right, that's 15 seconds. All right, 5 seconds, we'll get back into it. 3, 2, 1. And we're back in. Keep your butt low. Get your knees, drive them hard forward. As far forward as you can. Bring them up to your chest, right up through the center. Another 10 seconds on here. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're going to move into the side plank. So you can do one of two things. Straight arm, harder, or on your elbow, and your leg flat, lift your hips up. We'll hold this for a minute. Can't do a minute, you can do 30, 30. That's no problem. Just go as long as you can. If you want to challenge yourself, lift your leg up. It's even harder. If you want to really challenge yourself, do an arm and a leg, and that's really going to work your core. But you can stay right here, put your elbow underneath your shoulder, and just hold it up. That'll do. If you need some more support, you can push off the ground. Just be careful of your back. Don't put your arm too far out. Just put it straight down and push. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's one side. Nice part is here, we've got a minute rest built in. So we can hang out here for a minute. Like I said, if that's a little bit too hard, too challenging at first, do 30 seconds on, 30 off, and do that twice. It'll be the same amount of time and the same exercise. But if you can hold it for that minute, the second half of the minute's really going to be where you're building some really good muscle. Because your muscles are starting to rip real bad after the first 30 seconds, so the second 30 is where a lot of that muscle building happens. Alright, so we're halfway through our rest here. Just make sure you're belly breathing. You can be cross-legged and lean back and belly breathe. Alright, we got about 10 seconds. We'll switch sides. Alright, 2, 1, and we're up. We're halfway done with the workout already. It's already 5 minutes. Alright, that's 15 seconds in. Or you can lift the leg if you feel like it. If not, that's good too. And we'll just hold it and feel your obliques nice and tight. Keep everything real tight. If someone were to go and push you over or poke you, everything would be tight. Even your butt cheeks. Nice and tight. That's 40 seconds down. Got another 20 to go. We're almost there. 15 seconds on the clock. Down to 10. And then we get another minute rest. So you see the second half is where you really start burning. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Alright, we'll hang out for another minute here. And then we'll get into our bicycle crunch finisher. That'll be fun. The mountain climbers and bicycle crunch are great. And these side planks really build up your obliques. So the bicycles and the mountain climbing is really good for building the lower abs. And really the upper abs too, but mostly the lower abs, which are hard to do. So that's why we throw them in twice. Mountain climbers and also bicycles. Alright, that's 30 seconds down. Got another 30 to go. Not too bad. 10-minute workout. You get a little bit of rest in here. You can do that all day long. Alright, we got about 15 seconds left. And then we'll get into the bicycle crunches. 10 seconds. Alright, 5 seconds. We'll do it for 30 seconds on, 30 off, and we'll start. Just go elbow to knee, and vice versa. You go at your own pace. You can go fast if you want. You can go slow. Whatever's good for you. We'll do it for 30 seconds. And keep your knees and your feet straight. Don't flail them out too far. Nice and straight. That's 20 seconds down. Hands locked behind your head. Only got 3 seconds left. 1. That's it. 30-second rest. You can probably feel these by now. It's a great burn. Like I said, it only takes 10 minutes. Do this core exercise once a week and you're going to have a really strong core in a few weeks. Doesn't take much time at all. You don't need to go to a gym. You don't need to spend a lot of time at a gym. Alright, we got 5 seconds left of this rest and we'll knock out another 30. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let's do our 30. Try to make contact every time. knee to elbow, knee to elbow. If you can't reach, that's fine too. Just make that your goal to try to make contact every time. You want to hear it hitting. All right, halfway. Keep it going. Knees and feet, straight line. Feel it burning. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that, my friends, is it. So if you did as fast as I did it, you're ahead of schedule. You're at 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Take the rest of the time to sit, belly breathe. Loosen up those ab muscles that you just really worked, and re-oxygenate your body. If you need to take the extra time, the break time in the middle, you still have another minute built in to stay under 10 minutes, so it's no worries at all. Take the breaks when you need them. That's the whole workout. You don't need to do anything extra. If you keep doing more than that, chances are you can hurt yourself. You'll be extra, way too sore the next day. You won't want to do another workout. So this is all you need. Trust me, no matter what shape you're in, just do this once a week. Do these 3 workouts. It's 30 minutes for the whole week, and you will get in shape. There's no way around it. You don't need to go to a gym to do it. There's no excuses. You can work out in your office. You can do whatever you need. Just allocate 10 minutes. Do it first thing in the morning, right before bed, on your lunch break, whatever it is. And that's about 10 minutes on the clock. So just finish up with some belly breathing. And you're good to go. Have a drink some water and get hydrated.